inch-pounds is as tight as you want to get this. That's good and snug. Wipe off any excess oil you got on there. And again, it's time to add a little oil to it. This holds 1 quart, 95 milliliters. You want me to block this out, right?
Yeah.
Take your time, pour it in there. This also has an O-ring, which is your dipstick for your transmission. Cool. You got to screw that all in and check it. Dip it back in there and make sure it's full. That's the transmission and oil change with air filter. Part 2 will be draining the clutch, primary chain case out and adjusting the clutch, lubing up the cables, checking the battery. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Like I say, kept it simple, stupid. Didn't have to use a lift or jack. Only took a few minutes and I'm done with it. I'm going to crank it up, take it outside, and wash the oil off after I adjust the clutch, which will be part 2. Thank y'all. Tune in next time for more. Keep it simple, stupid. That's my motto.
Please subscribe.